Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to do a little bit of a video on the new shop build that has begun. Spent the last 2 days carting dirt out of the site where it's going to be. So yeah, I'll give you guys a little bit of a run through what's going on there. It's pretty exciting. Just got the opportunity to do a bit of a dream build basically, so it's going to be bloody awesome. A new facility for IEE to be based out of. It's going to be a bunch of different rooms, so a 3D printing room, an office, stripped down assembly and stock room, all sort of fully insulated, double glazing, things like that. Just a real quality build, just so it's nice and comfortable. Parts always, just room temperatures are good and stuff like that. So thought I'd sort of share as much of the build process as you can see. We've carted everything out. We've got the tractor and the trailer, which I walked past just before, the old case, and we've got the Sumitomo 10 or 12 ton digger over here. Just all farm equipment that I'm fortunate enough to be able to use. My digger driving skills are pretty shocking, as you can see from the state of the ground here, but that's alright. I'm gonna jump in that after I check the oil and fill up the diesel and whatnot and start grading. The shed is going to be 12 by 24 meters. We've done an extra 3 meters per side of the building, which gives us just area to drive like a scissor hoist around, so that when they're putting up the roof and the walls and everything, that there is enough room to get the scissor hoist around perfectly to be able to work on the place. Next up, we're going to chuck a couple of posts in the ground in all four corners. Then we're going to be able to shoot string lines across to get our level all bang on. And then while I'm already this close to the big shed, I'll show what the plan is in here as well. So I'm going to have one bay in this big shed. Excuse the mess at the moment. So this shed has recently just had 3 bays concreted. The next 2 are going to get done in the next couple of weeks or months. Once that's done and dried, we've got the roller doors over there. Those are going to get put on here as well. Some of the material came yesterday for those. And in here I'm going to have my cabinets, wet blast cabinet, dry blast cabinet. Probably get a sandblasting set up as well at some stage, just for some stuff that needs a bit of coarser blast media used on it. At some stage I'll design some new blasting cabinets as well. Really excited about that, just because the cabinets I've got at the moment are pretty small. Although, they were cheap and got the job done for now. But it's going to be cool. Here's the case that we're using, MX120. Does a really good job. It's got a good towing capacity and stuff like that.
All aboard!
Could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to lift myself from the trench below. Haven't I suffered?
Alright, so we've driven in 6 posts. We're about to get the chainsaw and the level out to get them all to the same height, plus 100mm to like the finished floor level height of the building, and then we'll cut them all off. So we've got a reference when we're filling up to what level we need to be at. See if you guys still got it, man. Got the old girl in rabbit mode now, it's flying. Just doing some runs. To try and level it out now. We finished setting the posts in each corner, and yeah, we cut them 100mm higher than the finished pumice level, therefore that when we have the string lines across the pumice pad, the finished pad, that we can actually see the gap and check that we're at the right level.
I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me.
Yeah, getting there. Some nice sort of even spacing everywhere-ish. Doesn't have to be too perfect, it'll be tickety-boo. And it turns out it's lunchtime. Got the string line ready. Nails are in place as well. It's coming out pretty nice. Hopefully the weather holds off. She's looking pretty dark. Yeah, it's not quite as easy as draw a rectangle and do a 1 meter extrusion. No matter how long I looked in the cab of the digger, I couldn't find the shell command either. What a pity. Oh well, do it the hard way. Anyway, hoping the weather's going to be good over the weekend. Then I can finish the leveling and basically start cutting in some pumice. It's going to drag the old Detroit diesel out, but she's a bit far gone, that one. Here I am at the dump site. We've got a pretty low paddock here, which always is quite just wet, or always has water sort of building up and it can't flow down into the drain because the drain's basically the same level. So we're trying to make this one a bit higher anyway, and this is where I dumped everything. So it looks like I've done about 50 trailer loads. Yeah, quite a bit of dirt.